bàbá wọn lẹ́nu. Kí gẹ́gẹ́ pàṣẹ kó bà mọ́ wọn lẹ́nu iṣẹ́. Gẹ́gẹ́ tí gẹ́gẹ́ bà mọ́ bàbá wọn lẹ́nu. Ọ̀rọ̀ hùrù.
Today, Auntie Gladys. Woo! She's the one that is going to be making the liquid soap. Today, I'm not the one making it, so I'm teaching her how to make. Trust me, this is our second time, but trust me, it's been a while. So we are starting all over again. We are starting the teaching from the beginning. So this is Auntie Gladys. Are you happy to make soap today?
Yeah.
Okay, please. We are going outside to make this liquid soap. Please stay tuned. Subscribe, comment, and like. Don't forget to share also. Someone needs this video. Bye for now. These are the chemicals we are using. We have the powder chemicals, and the liquid chemicals. So this one now is soda ash. You can see it. It looks like detergent. Can you see it? It looks like detergent. I've talked about the chemicals before in one of my episode or my video. So this one is soda ash. It looks like detergent. So these are the chemicals we are using for our liquid soap production for today. As usual though, these are the chemicals I normally use. These are the chemicals. We have the liquid chemicals and we have the powder chemicals. So I've done a video, in one of my videos on how to use the chemicals and how to identify them. And so today I'll just go through it a bit. So this one is soda ash. This one looks like detergent. It's very white, but looks like detergent. You know how our detergent looks like. So white, and small, tiny one like this. So this one now, we call it rice, because look at it. It looks like rice. Can you see? But we also call it SLS. So this one now, this one is our nitroso. It's like powder milk. Can you see it? It's not white, it's not pure white, but it's like a cream color, but it looks like powder milk. So it's powder. This is the one that is going first. This one is the foundation one. And why this one is caustic soda? This one is the caustic soda. So this one looks like sugar. We can all see it. Let me put it closer. So this one is caustic soda. So it looks like sugar. Why this one looks like starch. We can all say it is liquid chemical. So this one is Textapon. We can all say it. It's for stain remover in liquid soap. Why this one is sulfonic acid? This one is black. It looks like engine oil, but this is it. It's black. So this one is our foam booster or more. This thing don't small. It is well with us. See this chemical. This one is the color. This one is color. This one is green. I choose green. Why this is the perf? This is the fragrance, and I choose lemon. So let's begin our production. Let's begin. Woo. And this is the bath that we are using. We say bath for my side. And this is the 25 liters of water. Then the first thing to do now is to soak the powder chemicals. The powder chemicals, we are soaking them, except the nitroso. So we are soaking the powder chemicals. So let's start, please. So let's soak the powder chemicals. I wash my hand instantly if I don't use glove. So you can wash your hand instantly after putting your hand in the chemical. So, and the smell too, you have to be careful. Yeah, because those chemicals are too dangerous. They are powerful. Yeah, especially that caustic soda. So this one is soda ash. It's like detergent. So we had like 1.5 liters of water or 2 liters. So let's add water, please. Let's put until I say stop. It's okay. So let's mix. So these are turning stick. So let's mix. This will turn to white like water. It will not be this white. It will turn to water. This is dangerous too. So we mix till it turns to water. The reason why we are soaking them now is because we want to avoid lumps in our liquid soap. So we don't want any, what's it called, mistake in making. So we have to make it liquid. So that's why we are dissolving them to be liquid before we combine everything together. So putting powder chemicals in liquid chemicals can give us trouble, can cause us trouble rather, can cause lumps in our liquid soap. So to avoid that, we have to soak them first, mix. So as you can see, it has changed water, right? So it's changing. It will turn to water, like normal water. So that whitish will just like remove. So it's fun to make liquid soap. We love making it. So this is it. So we can leave this for now and mix other chemicals. So let's soak rice, our SLS. So our SLS. So look at it, our soda ash. You can see the color now. It's not like when we started it, before we mix or when we started mixing. So this is our rice, 1 liter of water, 1 liter of water. Okay, so this is 1 liter. Let's go. It's okay. Yeah. So we turn at least. You can see our SLS. So if you want to know the usefulness of all these chemicals, go back to my video. Go and watch. You can go back and watch my video, so you will see where I explain all the chemicals, the usefulness. But for today, I just want to go through it a bit so that I won't do repetition, Time is not waiting for us. So we can leave this now. Rice does not have any problem, so you can dissolve on it fully. So now the most powerful chemical, caustic soda. Hey, I fear this supposed to put water first. Put water first. This one is it okay? Okay. This one is caustic soda that we are mixing. Very dangerous. It's always hot and it's always bringing out smoke. You have to be careful with this. But this is number 2 that is going into the water after nitrosol. So we mix. All right. So let's rinse the stunning stick. Let's rinse it before we mix. We mix our caustic soda, soda ash. Yeah. Let's mix soda ash. So our soda ash has turned to water. Let's see it. So this is soda ash. This is rice. Why that is caustic soda. So that's enough, please. Let's start. So we're about to start now, but you can use that. Let's use that to measure. How many liter is this? Okay, if you pour it there, I can measure it. Let's go. So we're about to start now. I think this should be like 10 liters. This should be like 10 liters, but I always start with 10 liters or 15 liters of water, but 10 liters at first, so that I will get my thickness first before mixing. So I use 10 liters of water first. So our nitrosol is coming in now. I can be putting, let me put it while you turn. So this is the foundation, which is nitrosol. So we are about to mix it into 10 liters of water. Don't forget we are doing 25 liters of soap. So we are starting with 10 liters first. We are starting with 10 liters. Then we keep mixing. This is the foundation. Nitrosol looks like powder milk. Please mix very well. So we dissolve them. So as you can see, So this is nitrosol, the foundation that is going into 10 liters of water. It looks like powder milk. Yeah. So we have to be careful, keep mixing. I love using mopping stick because it will just be rolling. You don't have any issue. It should be rolling. I don't know who love using mopping stick. Mopping stick will just be rolling. And in your liquid soap production, you have to mix. Mixing is very important. You mix for 10 minutes, 15 minutes to get the results. So you keep mixing. You keep mixing. It's so simple to do, but very hard to correct when you make mistake. So to avoid mistake, you have to learn very fast and learn very well. Listen very well, watch a lot before you do it. So we keep mixing at least for 10 minutes. Yeah, keep mixing. Mixing in liquid soap is very important. Very important. You see that it will be different from when you started it. It will be different. So I'm so happy to make liquid soap production today after a long period of time. Yeah. You didn't want me to come and do it. Your hand is there. No, 10 minutes. Inside is caustic soda, which is very hot. So caustic soda is going into the water now. So we have to be careful. Keep mixing, sorry. So this is caustic soda number 2 that is going inside. Yeah. So keep mixing. You don't stop mixing. You mix in liquid soap production because it will help your results. Yeah, it will be thick now. Sorry. So you keep mixing. It's getting thicker, right? Okay. You can see it. So it will be thicker than nitrosol water. So you mix, keep mixing. Thank you. Okay, we are getting there, getting thicker. Let me show the face of the person behind the mixing. It's not easy.
Come on, wait. Bàbá ta ló sọ pé kò yẹ? Àwọn dà. Bàbá ta ló sọ pé kò yẹ? Ìgẹ̀gẹ̀ pa kó pa mọ́ wọn lẹ́nu. Kẹ̀kẹ́ tí kẹ́ pa.